How to use QR code to share Wi-Fi password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can use QR code to share Wi-Fi password. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So to share your Wi-Fi via QR code, you'll need to go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings for connected networks and then find the share option or QR code. So I'll teach you guys how you can do that. So for that, locate your settings app. Head over to settings. Now you'll need to make sure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi network as well. So make sure you're connected and go to your settings. Then you'll need to go to your network and internet, or also known as connections. And after you're there, go to internet, or sometimes in some devices it's known as Wi-Fi as well. Tap on it and you'll be on your Wi-Fi. So you will see the connected network that you're on. Tap on it. And right there, you'll find the share button. If you tap on the share button, you will get a verification. You'll need to verify using your maybe your biometric or your Wi-Fi or your device's passcode. So enter that in and you'll get the QR code, which another device will need to scan. So you can let the guest or someone scan it to connect. And yeah, that's basically it. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more.